Hi everyone, welcome to episode 4, and this is part of the series of videos that I'm preparing to help you with your German driving license practical exams. In this series, we are covering all the major and minor mistakes that you should take a note of so that you avoid them completely during your exam. If you have not yet watched my previous episodes, I suggest you watch them before watching this to get a continuity. I have created a playlist for your easy reference. So let's get started with this episode. Okay, you are leaving your 30 speed limit from a distance, you see a 50 speed limit. It is very important that the moment you see that you don't accelerate. Okay, let's understand this with some slides. Okay, so here you are driving in a 30 zone and from a distance you see a 50 speed limit. It is very important that until that point you still remain at a 30 speed limit, and only after that point where you see that 50 speed limit you're allowed to accelerate and take off. And accelerating much before your 50 speed limit is considered to be a mistake. Now let's look at another scenario where you are driving at a 50 speed limit, but from a distance you see a 30 speed limit. Here the situation is different. You should already slow down much before this point where you see this 30 limit, and it is important that you cross this 30 speed limit at a speed less than or equal to 30. Okay, so not following that, crossing the 30 speed limit at a speed above 30 is considered to be a mistake. Checking your surrounding is very important while driving, and your examiner is taking a note whether you are occasionally checking your mirrors. So it is very important while you're driving to check the mirrors, and the best point for you to do that of course is when you get your red signal. So when you get your red signal, make sure you check all your mirrors, check your surrounding, and also while driving occasionally make sure you check your mirrors, and not at all checking the mirrors is considered to be a mistake. If you're liking this video so far, please do hit the like button. And if you need more such contents, please hit the subscribe button. And if you find this useful so far, please share with others who are in need. Be aware that you might spot a pedestrian lane when you are in a 30 speed limit roads, and also when you are in a 30 speed zone. Whenever you see a pedestrian lane from a distance, so here you see a pedestrian lane from a distance, make sure you are ready to brake for any pedestrian waiting to cross. So this is just to demonstrate an example. Let's reverse, and you see there is a pedestrian trying to cross the road. It is very important that you stop your car completely and allow the pedestrian to cross. Not doing so will be considered a major mistake and will be the reason for you to fail the exam. That's all with this episode. Stay tuned for more.